Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, I give review about skincare and haircare products. So today, I will review about a skincare product called Azelaic Acid Gel 20%. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Azelaic Acid Gel is generally well received for its effectiveness in treating acne and with users reporting smoother skin texture, reduce redness and improve overall skin complexion. While it may not be the first line treatment for acne, it is a great option, especially for those with sensitive skin or during pregnancy due to its low irritancy potentials. If you are experiencing serious acne on your face, the best option is to use the azelaic acid gel. It works like magic, and trust me, it will work once you start using it as prescribed by a physician. How to use azelaic acid gel? Apply the gel on the affected areas or as directed by the physician. Avoid contact with eye. Keep out of reach of children. Here are the benefits of azelaic acid gel. 1. Azelaic acid helps in treating acne. 2. It helps to clear hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. 3. It, it helps to unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of bacteria that contribute to acne. 4. Additionally, azelaic acid can lighten skin discoloration and improve skin texture by promoting cell turnover. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.